Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Swan. A swan is a big bird with white feathers. It has a long neck and looks very graceful. Swans love swimming in lakes, ponds, and rivers. They glide smoothly across the water like they are floating. Swans make soft, sweet sounds when they talk to each other. They eat plants and grass found in the water. Swans take care of their babies and keep them safe. The babies are called cygnets and they are fluffy and cute. Swans are very beautiful and often seen in fairy tales. They are calm, peaceful birds that like to be near water. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.